Hey everyone, so a lot of you have been using Blum Autobot successfully, but there has been a lot of questions regarding the Blumbot setup recently. So I thought to go through the Blumbot setup process once again with all the details of setup guidelines. So let me jump jump on the video details. So here is the Blum Autobot. You all guys has been using. I will link this in the description and or the comment box of this video. And I would suggest you to use Python 3.10 to 3.11 if you are setting up a Python environment for farming using this bot for the very first time. And to install the Git in your PC, I suggest you to install Git cmd to make it more easier. Okay, so what do we do need to do first is to come to this git repo and copy this URL, or you can copy this from here. Okay, so and after setting up your Python and Git, come to command prompt and open a prompt, hit git clone and paste the URL. Okay, it will be cloning the repo from here, and then you need to locate the repo using cd command, cd blum u. Okay, then we need to install the requirements, the packages. So for this we can use this specific command, copy it from here according to your devices you are using, for Windows, for Linux devices, and for Termux. Okay, so paste it here, python mpip installer requirement.txt. Okay, this will download some of the packages needed to run this bot. Okay, then what we need to do is uh, we need to copy the query ID of the Blumbot. Okay, if you are not familiar with this, to how to copy the query ID, let me show you. Open your Blumbot. Okay, go to the setting, go to the advanced, from advanced go to the experimental setting, enable web view inspecting, then open your Blumbot. Okay, so after opening the Blumbot, you have to go to the inspect, and from application you can go to session storage and telegram.blum.com. We can copy the value from here. Okay, the user ID or the query ID, copy the value from here and come back to the cmd. Okay, so we can enter this query ID into a, go to the manual location of the Blumbot, or we can directly do it from here, notepad data.txt. Okay, this will open your data.txt file, locate it into your root file of Blum Auto. Okay, so after hitting this, you will there will be a pop-up window like this of notepad. Paste your data.txt from here, data id in here, and save it, control save. Okay, so entering one of your account is done. If you want to add multiple accounts, that go through the every accounts of your Blumbot and copy each ID and paste one by one into here. Okay, if you see this, paste. Okay, you have to copy your user ID from each of your Blumbot, remember that. And okay, I'm deleting this, just skip in one. Okay, save it. So after uh, reaching to this part, then we have to run the bot using python.bot.py. Okay, this will open a menu like this. Okay, every of the menu to learn by yourself about the menus and explore them. It will be easier to you to explore it by yourself. Okay, so I'm running the bot now. I'm running the bot using synchronized mode for this one. So for that I'll have to hit number 7 and enter. Okay, so these will uh, take a little time, um, uh, according to this number 5 option, set wait time before start. So this is a safe trigger to make your bot running more like human. Okay, so we need to wait a bit to check how it goes. So as you can see, I have logged in, successfully got access token, already check in today. The balance is being showed, referral balances, not time to claim farming. That's mean the claim farming is still on. The end farming time and the completed tax ID, it will do all of the taxes in Blumbot. Okay, um, including the keyword, including those tags where you gotta put in some keywords, put in some answers. And if you have the game ticket, it will autoplay your game according to this setting. Okay, the lowest number of game points and highest number of game points. Thanks.